The lathe spindle rotates the workpiece at high speed, while the cutting tool moves precisely along its axis. Through the cutting action of the tool's edge, excess material is gradually removed, ultimately producing parts with circular, stepped, or threaded geometries that meet specified standards. First, the workpiece is clamped securely in the spindle chuck. After setting the machining parameters via the CNC system, the machine is started. The spindle rotates the workpiece uniformly, and the cutting tool feeds smoothly along the programmed path, continuously removing excess material. The fully automated operation eliminates human error. Upon completion, precise measurement ensures that dimensional tolerances are controlled within micron-level accuracy. Lathe machining combines efficiency with precision. It can handle not only common materials like carbon steel and cast iron, but also difficult-to-machine materials such as stainless steel and alloy steel. It delivers high productivity in batch production and ensures excellent part consistency. From everyday hardware and automotive components to critical machine tool shafts, any application involving cylindrical structures relies on the foundational support of lathe machining. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome your attention subscription. Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. In consultation to get more industry information.